Hello and welcome to another video for Olevel Math. Today what we're talking about is linear equations in one or two variables. Let's start talking about that. So when you're talking about linear equations, they're just equations that have variable with the power 1. So you won't see power 2 or power 3 like we were seeing in the previous video when we were solving algebraic fractions. Okay. So this is a statement that says two expressions have the same values is called an equation. So wherever you have an equals to sign, a linear equation contains only numbers and multiples of a variable x. That is terms where the powers of x are 1 and 0. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. Honestly, again, this is something out from a book. So for example, 7x minus 5 equals to 9 is a linear equation, but x squared minus 7x equals to 18 is not. 8 over x equals to x plus 2 is also not a linear equation. Remember that the power of x has to be in the numerator. Okay, linear equations have at most one solution. Okay, they can also have no solution at time, but let's talk about that later on. Okay, they can sometimes also in fact have infinite solutions as well, but that's not stated here. Okay, let's try solving this. I hope everybody understands the basic idea of equations. Now, there are different ways of understanding it. What we generally understand in Pakistan is that you move things to the other side and they change their sign, okay? Or if they are being multiplied on the left-hand side, they're going to be divided on the right-hand side and so on, okay? So I can move things around and say that 3x minus 5x equals to 4 plus 8. Okay, so 5x comes onto this side, which will be minus 2x equals to 12. X equals to minus 6. Okay, now what do I do about this? I expand the brackets. So 12x minus 28 plus 15 minus 3x. Okay, 4 times 3x and then 4 times 7. So 2 times 3x gives me 6x and 2 times 7 gives me 14. Now there's lots of addition and subtraction on the individual side only. So I'm going to first do that and then merge it with the other one. So now 9x minus 6x equals to 14 plus 13. So 3x equals to 27 and x is therefore equals to 9. Okay. Then on the next one. So 4 into 3 in the denominator. Okay, remember that this is an x that's always in the numerator. So what do I multiply this? This multiplies with 3 and this multiplies with 3. So this becomes 3 into 3x. Okay, and this becomes 7 into 4. So 28. 9x minus 28 over 12 equals to 5. I can cross multiply this 5, so that gives me 9x minus 28 equals to 5 into 12, which is 60. So 9x equals to 88. I hope I've not done anything wrong on this one. I'm just seeing an unusual answer here. 7, 28, 3x minus 28, 5 times 12 is 60. Yeah, that sounds fine. So x is therefore 88 divided by 9. Okay. A couple of more equations. Let's talk about these. We first expand. So 7x minus 21 equals to 3x plus 21. 7x minus 3x equals to 21 plus 21. 4x equals to 42. So x is there, therefore 42 divided by 4. That's 21 over 2. Part B. 2x plus 6 minus 10x plus 5. Okay, so 2x plus 10x equals to 5 minus 6. That's 12x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 1 over 12. Okay, part C. 27x minus 9 minus 12x plus 6. And that gives me 15 plus 25x. Okay. Yeah. Let me zoom out a little. That one is the wrong one. So 27x minus 12x is 15x minus 3. So that gives me 25x minus 15x. So that's 10x. That's minus 18. Okay, I hope that makes sense. There's some more questions on linear equations now. Let's look at this. This is about some fractions, so that's also fine. 3 into 4. So this gets multiplied with 4 and this has to be multiplied with 3. So 4x plus 2 minus 3x minus 1 equals to 3 over 2. 4x plus 8 minus 3x plus 3 over 12 equals to 3 over 2. 4x minus 3x is x plus 11 over 12. Then I cross multiply. Okay. So when I cross multiply, I get 2x plus 22 equals to 3 into 12. So 2x plus 22 equals to 36. 2x equals to 36 minus 22. So 2x equals to 14. X equals to 7. Similarly, 1.3x should go to the other side actually. So it doesn't matter what side you gather the x variables on. It could be the left hand side or the right hand side. So I get 4x minus 1.3x, and that gives me what? It gives me 2.7x over 2.5. So 2.5 over 2.7, and remove the decimals, and I have 25 over 27 equals to x. Okay, moving on, we have solved the equation this. Let's cross multiply. That's simple. So 1 into x minus 4. So that gives me 24 equals to x minus 4. 28 equals to x. Then for this one we have 12. Let's open up the bracket. So I have this. This is a past paper question again. So that should interest you a little. So y equals to 2 over 3. Okay, that's a set of practice questions if you want to do them. Okay, the next topic I think is linear equation word problems. We'll do that in a separate video. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video shortly.